Wow, this place is beautiful. The building is very big.
Yes, this is Ram Mandir. It is a holy temple.
Ram Mandir? Who is Ram?
Ram is a god in India. People love Lord Ram. He stands for truth. He stands for duty.
I see many people here. They look happy.
Yes, people come to pray. They come with hope. They come with faith.
The temple looks new. Is it new?
Yes, the temple is new, but the faith is old. People waited many years.
That is very touching. The design is very beautiful. So many carvings.
Yes, the work is handmade. Artists worked very hard. Each stone tells a story.
Really? A story?
Yes, the walls show Ram's life, his birth, his journey, his kindness, his...
I like how calm I feel here. My heart feels quiet.
This place gives peace. People feel calm here. Silence is powerful.
In my country, we also have churches. People go there to pray.
Yes, prayer is everywhere. Faith has many forms.
Respect is important. Why are people removing shoes?
We remove shoes in temples. It shows respect. It keeps the place clean.
Oh, I see. That makes sense. Okay, I will remove mine too.
Thank you. You are kind.
I want to respect your culture.
That means a lot. Culture grows with respect.
The inside is so peaceful. The light is soft.
Yes. Light gives hope. It shows the path.
Who is that statue?
That is Lord Ram. People pray to him. They ask for strength. They ask for guidance.
Do people come every day?
Many people come daily. Some come in the morning. Some come in the evening.
I see old people. I see children too.
Faith has no age. Children learn values here. Old people find peace here.
Can I sit here for a moment?
Yes, please sit. This place is for everyone.
Thank you. I feel calm sitting here.
Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Feel the silence.
Yes, it feels good. Very peaceful.
This temple teaches patience. It teaches hope. It teaches kindness.
In my life, I am always busy. Work, travel, phone, noise.
We all need silence. Silence heals the mind. Peace heals the heart.
Why is Ram so important?
Ram is a symbol of good values. He is honest. He is brave. He is kind.
So people follow his values?
Yes. People try to be honest. They try to be kind. They try to do good.
That is beautiful. Every country needs good values.
Yes. Good values make good people. Good people make a good world.
People are praying quietly. No one is shouting.
Prayer is personal. It is between the heart and God.
Can I pray in my own way?
Yes, you can pray in your heart. God understands all languages.
That is very kind.
Faith should unite people, not divide them.
Thank you for showing me this place. I learned many things today.
I am happy you came. India welcomes guests with love.
Your culture is beautiful. Your people are warm.
Thank you. You are always welcome here.
I will tell my friends about this place. They should come too.
Yes, share peace, share respect, Share kindness.
This visit changed me. I feel lighter.
That is the power of faith. That is the power of peace.
Thank you, my friend.
You are my friend now. Take care. Safe travels.
Goodbye, Arav.
Goodbye, Emma. May peace be with you.